Looking for a real, working Magnific promo code in 2026? Stop wasting your valuable time hunting for expired coupons online. Here is the truth. The official link located right now in the description and the pinned comment has the highest available discount activated automatically. There is absolutely no typing required at checkout. If you want to get the maximum possible savings, here is exactly what you need to do. First, click that link below and select your plan. For professional results, I highly recommend going with the Premium Plus plan. It is absolute elite for high-end 4K upscaling and producing hyper-photorealistic generation. Next, simply switch to annual billing at checkout to stack your discount even further. As you can see right here on the screen, the price drops instantly without typing a single word. Click the link below right now to secure your spot. Grab your discount and leave a comment letting me know exactly how much you saved. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more verified, real-world deals.